Hi, and welcome back. You're watching this video because your dog has either just undergone orthopaedic surgery or is just about to. And we need to talk about how to look after your dog in the post-operative period to try and minimize any complications. The first complication we're going to talk about is post-operative infection. Your dog will go home on antibiotics and also will be fitted with an Elizabethan collar to prevent them from licking at the wound. It's important to keep the Elizabethan collar on for a full 2 weeks after surgery until the stitches or the staples come out, because any licking is obviously going to increase our chances of getting an infection. In terms of exercise, we split the rehabilitation period into two sections. The first 2 weeks is considered rest, pretty close to bed rest for you or I. We're just going to let the dog get over surgery and back on its feet. Then from 3 weeks onwards, we're into rehab. This is when you or I will be going down to the gym. For your dog, we're going to do a graduated walking program, starting off with 5 minutes twice a day and increasing by 5 minutes each week through to about 30 minutes 8 weeks after surgery. It's really important that we maintain control of the exercise level throughout the recovery period. This is in order to minimize complications such as implant failure. Whenever we cut bone and stabilize it with a piece of metal, that metal is under stress and prone to something called cyclic fatigue. If you ever had a paperclip, you bend it a whole bunch of times, eventually it'll cycle and break. We certainly don't want this to happen to your dog's implant. So even though around about 4 weeks after surgery, they may tell you that they're totally fixed, it's important to keep their exercise restricted until the full 8 weeks when they're back to normal. 8 weeks after surgery, you'll have a set of x-rays taken with your vet to make sure that the bone is completely healed before we allow any off-leash activity. During the rehab phase, we're going to ask you to perform some at-home physiotherapy exercises, and we'll provide details on how to perform these with your discharge instructions when your dog goes home. If at any stage throughout the recovery you have any concerns, please contact your veterinarian, and if needed, they'll get in touch with us and we'll help resolve any issues. Thanks for watching this video and entrusting the care of your pet into our hands.